Okay guys, look at this. This is amazing. You don't always get this kind of cool thing. Look at how many birds of prey we have all hanging out in one spot. I have to zoom out so you guys can see all of them. There's just a lot going on up there. Look at them. No, don't be camera shy. Look at this one up here. And the good news is I just shot some video footage with the DJI Mini 3. And I was just across the street over there. At my favorite shooting location right there. And there's plenty more just flying around there, but you can't see them at the moment.
Likey